Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and we're back in the new year with another classic van, well, pickup. And this really is a rare thing. But before I talk about this, please press the like and subscribe button on your computer. It doesn't cost anything, and it really does make me want to keep making these videos. Right, so we're back here now, and we've got this fantastic rare 1957 Austin A35 pickup. And when was the last time you saw one? Because before I bought this, I'd seen them in magazines, I'd seen them at the odd huge car show like in Austin Gathering, but I'd never been this close to one. And these are lovely, absolutely lovely. This is, like I said, 1957 is the year. It was one of only 500, so they only made 500 of these. This one was one of the last made, and it was exported to Chile. It's since been obviously repatriated from Chile and restored, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, what a thing! How rare! This one's had a few tasteful modifications done to it, which I'll go through when we walk through the car. But we'll start at the front. So again, bodywork wise, paintwork is pretty good. Out of 10, I'm going to give it a 7. 10 being concourse. It could do with improvements, but there's no visible rust or rot. Me personally, if it was me and I bought this, I would actually toot on this car, on these swage lines, either red or cream. I would come round here, repaint the bottom of the car and a nice bit of sign writing on the side to break it up, but that's just me. So steel wings, that's the main thing. Lovely period visor there. I love the little visor. Go around the car quickly. Bodywork, each panel, pretty good. There is the odd little mark. There's the one on the door there, Patrick. There's the odd little mark, what needs touching up. But the most important parts, around the wheel arches there, nice and strong. Moving around the back again, not a lot to see. It's a little bit of off the exhaust where it's blown up. This side, more or less the same. There's a little bit on the roof there where someone's touched it up badly. So, paintwork side, again, not a lot to report. 7 out of 10 in my opinion. It's been fitted with aftermarket wide wheels. So it's got these beautiful brand new steel wide wheels and new tyres fitted, which the purists might think it detracts from it, but I don't think so. I think it can take it. I think it really looks nice sitting on them wheels. The modifications don't stop there. These will be little lights at the front. We'll have a quick look at the engine while I'm down here. I can't remember which side. I think it's this one. There's the engine. It's a Midget engine and gearbox. So it's had that modification, which is, again, a good modification. The normal engine in these is usually as flat as a pancake. So they've took the engine out of a Midget in the gearbox, and they've also used a different ratio on the differential. So this car, or pickup, whatever you want to call it, should keep up with modernish traffic. While they've upgraded the engine and gearbox and differential, they've also upgraded the brakes. So I think they've got brakes off an Austin A40 or something on it. So it starts, stops a bit quicker than a normal one. Inside, well, there you go, door cards are good. Seats look like they're brand new. Headlining's a bit saggy. I don't know whether it would have had a headlining from new with it being a commercial. Some do, some don't. On the dash there, looking pretty straight. It's had an aftermarket oil pressure gauge fitted. Again, not a bad thing. And with the Midget box, it'll be 4-speed. Carpets are good. The rest of the trim's nice. Just a nice little thing. Now, last time I saw one of these, it was for sale over, oh, I think it was over Blackpool way. It was a few years ago, and these were about £25,000. So if you could get one, that's the sort of price that these little pickups were. I've had loads of vans, Austin A35 vans. I've had the odd car. Like I say, I specialise in commercials. I've had loads of vans. Never ever had a pickup. This is the first one, and I think for what we're going to put it up for sale for, it's reasonably priced. And I can definitely guarantee you, if you take this to a car show, a local one anyway, nobody will have a one. So there you have it, the 1957 Austin A35 pickup. What a cutie. If you need any more information, just give us a tinkle or send us an email, do a walk around video, or we can even bring this car to you, but there's certain terms and conditions to apply. Thanks very much now. Bye-bye.